if you want to add a link to a document that includes a link to another document on itslearning, it's quite simple to do. So here is the first document, and I want to add a link to the an article. Let's see, Grow from Scrap article here. So I can right click on this article and say copy link address. And then I can choose edit here in my window. And this will bring up the full word editor. Just takes a minute. All right, so what I want to do is add that link to this line that says regrow from scraps. Oops, excuse me. So I'm going to highlight where I want the link to be. So let's say I want it to go right here. With that highlighted, I'm going to right click here. I'm going to choose link. And in this address line, I am going to use Control-V to paste that link, which I copied from my resource tree over here. And then I say insert. And now that has saved that there. So I'm actually going to click off of here. I'm going to go back to bring the document back up. And now you can see I have a link there. And if I click it, it's going to open a new tab, and you can see the article pops right up. I can come back over here, go back to my assignment tab, or click on another link and go directly to the article. I hope that helps.